Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a compatible iPhone with iOS 16 or later, Face ID or Touch ID active, and a bank card that allows Apple Pay in the Philippines. Once ready, open settings to confirm your Apple ID region is set to Philippines if needed, then launch Wallet. Tap the plus icon and hold your card to the camera or enter details manually. Make sure billing address and phone number match your bank records. This speeds verification and avoids declines. After adding the card, you must verify it. This is the complex middle step. Your bank may send an SMS code, push a verification to their app, or ask for a short call. Enter the code in Wallet when prompted. Once verified, choose a default card and toggle Express Transit if you use local transit. Next, review your shipping and contact info so online checkout is smooth. If you use multiple cards, label them clearly. It prevents accidental charges when you tap quickly. To pay in stores, hold the top of your iPhone near the NFC reader and authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. For terminals that show a total, wait for the checkmark. For apps and websites, select Apple Pay at checkout, confirm shipping and billing, then authenticate to complete. If a payment fails, first restart your device and check network. Next, confirm with your bank that no fraud hold exists. If needed, remove and re-add the card in Wallet to refresh the token and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.